Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Let me get this sent out. And then we are ready to rock and roll. Let's see. Cool. All right, we good. Cut out for a second, but we're back. Good morning. How'd everybody do yesterday? Make money, lose money, take no trades? Let me know in the chat. Your boy took a fat L yesterday. Fat L. But it's okay. It happens. We talked about it yesterday. I was so close to that yearly milestone, and I went a little heavier in a position, and it stopped me out, and I set myself back a little bit, but we got what? Today, one, tomorrow. I wouldn't really count tomorrow as trading. I got about like 4 or 5 trading days to get back up there. So it happens. Learn from my mistakes. I tried to reject the supply, and we grinded through supply and stopped out. I personally think it was still a good trade. Like, I would take it again. But yeah, it's a new day. I like these levels a lot more going into today's price action, just because we actually got like a nice pull in the overall market. So yeah, let me send this real quick to the Instagram group, and then we're ready to rock. Also, I'm curious, so like I've thought about doing this for a while, but I think 2024 I'm gonna try to do the transition into futures, like trade more futures than options, just because I don't know. I feel like I would like futures more. Obviously, still sticking to the whole heavier size swing trades, prioritize that next year. But as far as day trading with those like 3 to 5 trades a week, I think I might just crank it on futures and see how I like it. Live on YouTube. One second. We'll drop some levels here. Cool. You like futures more? I mean, yeah, most of my trades are on SPY and QQQ, so it's not that much of a difference. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you made that transition, do you like it more? And it's not going to be a funded account, I'll tell you that. There's no way in hell I'll open a funded account. Never. So, if you trade with your own capital, what broker do you suggest? Good morning. Let's also get live for everybody on TikTok. Good old TikTok. Yeah, you like futures more? Yeah, I know a lot of people have made that transition. Let's see, let's put day trading Watchlist. Trade of 8. That's the one I'm thinking about using, is Trade of 8. With my own capital, obviously. None of that funded account BS. Obviously, keep my options account too. Like, if we see something on Meta, and Meta has really good setups, then obviously I'll trade Meta. But yeah, I think I might test it out. It seems like Jadon wants to do futures as well. So, I mean, I'm willing to make the transition. But as far as levels today, real quick, as always, if you guys want this watch list posted up in the chat, make sure to smash that like button. 100 people in here, 22 likes. You guys know the drill. But as far as just levels on ES, I already have them all marked out. I went through yesterday or last night and actually marked them out. So you can do it, TikTok. Come on. There you go. But so you can see we do have this 4-hour demand down here, which I'm super, super interested if price can get down there. It's just we're all the way up here. So that's about like a 70-point drop. But if I'm looking to bounce the market, ideally would like to see us all the way down there. We did sweep liquidity above all-time highs on ES. So yeah, if we get down there, look for the bounce. We did bounce off of this previous low over here. So ideally would like to see us take out this low for that continuation down. Now, as far as rejects, 47.87, 47.97, just 50 and 61.8% retracement. Ideally would like to watch that. But then if we get above there, we have this 4-hour supply zone. So I do really like this because we had that basing candle and then just a strong, very strong aggressive move down yesterday. So if we do make our way back up there, very interested in looking for rejects. We have 4-hour supply, 2-hour supply inside of it. So a little smaller of a zone for 2-hour. But going to watch this entire area here and then there. And then again, if we start breaking yesterday's low, look for price to continue to drop all the way down into that demand zone right down here. So that is everything on ES. I believe I did the same for NQ. Maybe not. Could have swore I did. All right, well, let's draw these NQ demand levels, supply and demand. So, go to the 4-hour. We got 4 hours starting right here, up to there. Boom, boom. 17073. 3.5. Yes, you are a channel member. Did I not post it yesterday? I might have just forgot to post it, but I could have swore I did. All right, so there is our 4-hour supply. Then we have a little smaller of a zone. We have that 2 hours starting right there. No, 1 hour. But yeah, so if I'm going to be interested in a reject, it's going to be up there. Again, we can take fibs. And then we have 4-hour starting here. Boom. There we go. All right, there's our 4-hour demand zone. Look for a potential bounce there. And then I believe inside of that zone, we do have a smaller zone. We have 2-hour inside of the 4-hour. And then we also have 1 hour starting right there. One hour. Boom. Good morning. Wait, no. There we go. 1 hour. Boom. Boom. Okay, so that's mainly where I'm going to be interested for a bounce if we can get down there. As far as rejects, again, here and here, can watch the 50, 61.8, and then we got supply. So those are all the reject levels. As far as NQ, bounce is going to be down there. And then the daily 21 EMA would be the next level. I don't really see anything else other than that. Plus we had that previous low over there. Cool. Me gusta. All right. So we take a quick look at SPX. Depending on where we open, I mean, we closed right below it. It could have just been the spread. The ask could have not fell below. So 4,700 could be a key area at the open for a potential bounce. We'll see. But let's take a quick look at SPY, and then we'll do QQQ and look for some individuals. Cool. I for sure will, my man. John, definitely. But as far as, I mean, SPY, again, we're going to have to watch the ES levels. We can take here to here for rejects. So again, 50, 61.8, that's about it. SPY, QQQ, or for SPY. And then QQQ, it's going to be the same thing. We're just going to watch our supply and demand zones. 406.67, 407.57. Oh. Hey, good job. Nice little 30% return. It's good. Alrighty. So, also yesterday I did start my SLV position. Only equity though, for the time being. I'm still waiting. Again, this is, to me, this is a beautiful monthly setup. I really like it for leaps. And I'm looking at the January expirations. Or not January, my bad. July expiration. So the equity, I wanted to start it just in case going into the end of the month we push a little higher, just 100 shares for the time being. Eventually want to get up to possibly like 500 shares, and then as well as the leaps, but just 100 shares right now. And obviously if the monthly invalidates, I'll just sell the shares and wait. But I like it just in case we push up. I can average into more, get the leaps. The only thing I'm waiting to go full position is this stochastic slow to give a buy. So it's very close. I'm guessing at the end of the month it's going to give it because of how close we are. But very nice monthly setup. I will say metals are pretty hard to trade. Gold, silver, all that stuff. But I love it. I love this setup. So if you're going to trade it with me, proceed with caution. I guess we could look at, I don't know what silver futures are. I know the Forex version. Oh, you're not going to pop up on here? I just have to show it on TradingView. Unless anybody knows the silver futures. XAGUSD. There we go. Plus, I mean, look at that volume too. A lot of volume coming in compared to previous months. So we shall see. But yeah, I like it. My number one leap setup right now. Actually, we'll keep this. Boom. All right. I'm doing both. Just like the uranium swing, I did equity and options. Both of them. All right, let's take a look at individuals. If you're asking about right now, yeah, right now is only equity. But at the end of the month, it's going to be both. Apple, don't care about. AMD, that 4-hour squeeze fell apart. Amazon, believe that 4-hour squeeze fell apart. Don't really care. Boeing, just doing random Boeing stuff. Coin, don't care about. Ethereum looks like it wants to crack that 52-week high. I was looking at it earlier. Costco already caught a beautiful move on that. No squeeze on CRM. Don't care about that. GLD is still sitting there. Don't care about Google. Hit the bounce that I would have preferred. I mean, that's not bad. This actually is holding better structure than the overall market. I will say that. Is it not snapping on? There you go. Bounce to 61.8. I mean, I like this if the market were to move to the upside today. Crack above 139.86. So let's see. Go Google. Boom. IWM. That fell apart yesterday. Don't really care about that. Meta still holding up nicely compared to the overall market. Not too fond of it. So skip over that. Microsoft. It closed right at the daily 21. So it depends if we get a daily candle close below, which could invalidate the squeeze. But again, it depends on the overall market. I mean, it's something that I'll definitely continue to keep an eye on, maybe going into tomorrow or next week. It depends. But right now, there's no clear signs of it wanting to fire. Let me look at the other chart real quick and see if there's any buy signals. Let's see. Microsoft daily. I mean, the on-balance volume says it wants to go higher, but that's about it. So we'll wait on the Microsoft. Again, it could come into play in maybe tomorrow or next week. Maybe it just waits until the new year. Let's see. Netflix rejected 500. Don't care about. NVDA don't care about. PayPal don't care about. We looked at QQQ. Roku falling apart. Shopify. Don't care about. SPX we looked at. Then Tesla. I mean, if Tesla got way down here, I'd be interested. If it's weak, I mean, it has that gap. It's just not like my favorite. Good luck for rejects up there as well. Potentially Tesla. But I would say as far as individuals, my favorite setup is just going to be that Google. So I really like SPY, QQQ, and Google. I think those are going to be the main three that I look at today. So again, if you are in the YouTube live stream and you want this watch list posted up in the chat, make sure to smash that like button. We got 190 people in here and only 62 likes. You guys know the drill. I know you guys can get more than that. Take 5 seconds real quick, hit that like button, and then we got jobless claims in 9 minutes. So in the meantime, if anybody's got trading questions or stocks I haven't looked at, feel free to type them in the chat. I'll take a quick look, answer any questions we got, and then 8:30 rolls around, we will look at the news. I believe it's just jobless claims. Let's see what else we have. Today's Thursday. Oh, we have GDP revision. So that should move the market a decent bit. So yeah, in the meantime, any questions? What y'all got for me? And what's up, everybody on TikTok? Hopefully everybody's having a blessed morning so far. If you guys aren't following me, make sure you are. I do go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time, to give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. You cannot go wrong. So, cool. Neo MU. You guys ready for Christmas? Got all your shopping done? Tell you what, my stop loss been hit with Christmas shopping. Alrighty, Neo. Alright, so nothing on that fib. I mean, it could potentially set a higher low. Had a nice bottoming out towards 7. Yeah, I mean, I personally would just look to catch a higher low on this. Maybe 776 could be a good level. But it's about all I see on Neo. Nothing else. Nothing too special. Which book? There's two of them. New Age of Technical Analysis or New Age of Day Trading, or both. CACIU. Penny stock, not my expertise. I mean, I guess Neo is too, but this thing has done absolutely nothing. What else do we have? We have MU. Reported earnings, cracking 52-week highs. It's above that 83 level. I mean, I like this as far as a monthly setup for like a longer dated, but I would say your best bet is probably to see what happens if price comes back and retests this high. But here's a guy that asked the book question. Douglas. All right, so pretty much what the first book is, The New Age of Technical Analysis. It's going to be, I refer to it as like your holy Bible. It's going to tell you everything that you need to know about trading. How I find support and resistance, the EMAs that I use, stochastics, on balance volume, actually multiple different ways for to find support and resistance. How to find stocks to day trade, what to look for in your day trades, important day trading levels, my swing trading setup, how to do higher time frame analysis, etc., etc. So it's all of that inside of one book. That's why it's 450 pages. So lots of information inside of that. I can almost guarantee you, however much the book is right now on Amazon, you're going to make it back, right? So book number one. Book number two is Niche Down, The New Age of Day Trading. So specifically my day trading strategy, a lot of it's going to be about Fibonacci retracements and how to get sniper entries, which obviously I use Fibonacci like 95% of the time when day trading. Those are my bread and butter setups. So you're going to know exactly what to look for when using Fibonacci retracements. Again, same thing. One trade is going to help you make your money back. But also talk a lot about stop losses. I have it right in front of me, actually. We can talk about it. Let's see what else we got in here. Table of contents. Combining price action and the indicators that I use for high probability setups, multiple time frame analysis, specific day trading setups that I look for. Again, a lot about my Fibonacci rules, sniper entries, how to avoid false breakouts. What else we got in here? Economic news that you want to pay attention to, talk a little bit about futures, how to grow a small trading account, journaling, market internals, everything you need to know about day trading is in that one book. So this one is, what, 320 pages? So yeah, 450 plus 320, 720 pages worth of content in two books. So guarantee you'll find a lot of information in both of them. Again, The New Age of Technical Analysis and The New Age of Day Trading, both on Amazon, written by yours truly. Make sure to check them out. Alrighty. Palantir. Yeah, you can still trade SPY and QQQ. Absolutely. I'm just looking for rejects if we get up into supply. Let's see, or bounce if we get down into demand. Boom, boom. Palantir's got a nice gap. Break below 17, could see 15. That's about all I see. Roblox. And then let's see, we got GDP jobless claims in 2 minutes. So then we'll pull up ES. Not really seeing a setup I'd be too interested in, to be honest with you. This area right here is pretty strong resistance, but other than that, not very interested in Roblox at all. Cool. I mean, the EMA stack, it just helps you understand what the overall trend is, but it doesn't have to be stacked in order for you to trade. Again, the main thing it helps you do is just understand the trend. But most importantly, it's going to be levels. Levels are the most important. Cool, we got 1 minute. Again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button if you're in the YouTube live stream. 180 people in here, 104 likes. You guys want this watch list posted up in the chat? Let's do 150 likes. What's up, Lance? Good morning. Good morning, good morning. All right, 30 seconds. Let's get Twitter pulled up. No, I don't use the stochastic for day trading. Use it on higher time frame analysis just to understand, oh, we got a weekly buy signal. Hashtag delete Coinbase. Why is that trending? 3, 2, 1. I don't expect a huge move off of GDP, but I expect like some volatility. GDP 5.2 versus 5.2, estimate 5.2. Right on the money with everything. Cool. Jobless claims 205,000, estimate 215,000. So, and then the actual GDP price index 3.6, forecast 3.6, previous 3.6. Cool. See what the market does. Give it a couple minutes. Finalize levels and then be on our way. Let's go. You just bought both the books. Should be there by Christmas. Actually, it will be. Amazon Prime delivery, baby. Let me take a very quick look at TLT. Oh, it went up to 100. Psychological, I mean, it's got to break 100 if it wants more upside. It's a huge rally in the bonds. About time. Jeez. You're a bond investor. You're getting nailed. But, I mean, I'd say if it broke 100, you could see that monthly 21. It's just been so long since we've seen it. So, just a reversion to the mean, potentially. But, and back on over to ES. Cool. Does not look like we're doing very much based off of this. Give it like 1 more minute. You gonna break it? Hoping that Google's not moving. Want Google to stay below pre-market highs. Looks like they're breaking it. Can they hold it? But yeah, reject here and here. Cool. Let's get this typed up. Alrighty. SPY. Using ES levels. reject 47.87 and then 47.97.25. Bounce at demand. Got a while until demand. Yeah, way down there. Let's see if there's any SPY levels. SPY's getting fairly close. Yeah, nothing really till like 460. SPY's definitely going to hit that 50. No good bounces until demand towards 47. What was it, like 47.07, I believe? 47.08. All right, there is SPY. We're going to use ES levels. QQQ. We're going to use NQ levels. That's already at that 50% retracement, so more than likely not valid. QQQ, looking for a reject. Hold on. Using NQ levels, looking for a reject at 16.953. 0.25. Or 7.6 on QQQ. Then I don't think we have a good bounce for a while. Yeah, all the way down there. Good bounces until demand at 16.630. All right, cool. Hopefully we don't hit that 61.8 in the pre-market. I'll be a little upset if we do. And then the only other thing I really liked was Google. Google uptrend entry above 139.9. That's it. Plain and simple watch list today. SPY, QQQ, Google. Everything I am watching today. All right, you guys need 17 more likes in the YouTube live stream if you want this watch list posted up in the chat. Bang. Yeah, we're getting really close to that 50. Cool. Let's get book map pulled up. Boom. Like I said, I don't use the stochastic on lower time frames. Only higher, daily, weekly, monthly. Staying all rejected here. We're going to go for that 61.8. We shall see. 12 more. You guys are getting close. And then let's post this for the YouTube channel members. So you guys got it. Boom. YouTube channel members got it. Oops. There we go. Cool. Now we just wait 6 more. Again, if you guys got questions, feel free to ask. Looks like they're liking the 50. Lots of volume added too. Yeah, that drop yesterday, I don't know why we sold off like that. There might have been news, but I'm not 100% sure. I didn't see any news personally. But I mean, if you're going to trade futures, you would want to trade the minis. MES or MNQ. When did I stop looking at 5, 10, and 1 hour squeezes? I never stopped. I always look for squeezes. Looks like they're going to try to clear that 47.87. We'll watch that 61.8. Cool. All right, well, we hit 150 likes. We hit the goal. Here is the watch list for everybody. So, as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So, as always, do your own due diligence. Use your own proper risk management. Sorry. And I'm not responsible for any lost funds. Boom. So, the 47.87, that's invalid. We just broke through it. But 47.97, I'm willing to watch that. And then again, we do have supply right above that. So, SPY, QQQ, I believe QQQ actually just broke the level. So that might not be valid anymore. And then Google. So, mainly going to watch that Google. But 47.9733. See what happens. Might take a futures trade this morning. No, so we broke the 50. That's invalid. Take that off. Let's see. NQ. Just trying to break above the level. It actually got a candle close above it. It's going to depend on this 5-minute close, but potentially invalid on the QQQs. Google. All right, Google's breaking above 140, so we can watch that. SPY is about to hit the 61.8 at 472.63. So they're both relatively close. What's up, my man? Welcome, Chris. But yeah, NQ is getting close to that supply right now. SPY is right at the 61.8. ES is about to hit it. We'll see. But yeah, we break these fibs. Then we got that 48.11 supply. I'll be more than willing to watch that. More than willing. But cool. That's going to wrap it up today. Again, the NQ levels are invalid. Watch supply now. let's see. Levels are now valid. Reject. Fix the ES levels. Boom. And then Google. Cool. Looks like we're rejecting off the SPY 61.8 now. Right there. Boom. Cool. Well, that's going to wrap it up today, everybody. As always, if you ever have questions, feel free to reach out. But we hold below that 61.8 on SPY and ES. I think we'll at least have a nice move down. So, everybody have a blessed day. Again, make sure you are subscribed. Tap in every single morning, 8 a.m. Watch how I find the levels. Ask questions. I try my best to answer all of them. But, good morning from the Netherlands. I like it. But, yeah, everyone have a good one. If you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you in like 10, 15 minutes. If you're not in Team Bull, might be dropping some spots going into the holidays. So, let's see. Only way to join Team Bull is through the priority waitlist. So if you want to hop on that real quick, takes about 5 seconds to fill it out. Pretty nice sell-off off that SPY level. Could have scalped that. But yeah. That is all today, everybody. So, talk to everybody tomorrow. Have a good one. Hope you all make money. Peace out.